In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Figma. Updating your profile photo is a simple way to personalize your account and make it easier for teammates to recognize you, especially when you're collaborating in real time. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged in. At the top of the Figma interface, look toward the upper right corner. You'll see your current profile, which might be a small circle with your initials or an existing photo. Click on your profile name or avatar there. This will open a small drop-down menu related to your account. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can adjust various preferences for your profile and workspace. Give it a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. On the settings page, you should see a section that shows your current profile information, including your name and your profile picture or initials. Next to your picture, there will be an option that says Edit. Go ahead and click on the Edit button. This is what allows you to change your profile image. Once you click Edit, Figma will guide you with on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll see an option to upload a new image from your computer. Choose a clear, square, or roughly square image if possible, since profile pictures are usually displayed in a circle. When the file picker opens, navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select the photo you want, and confirm your selection. After you upload the image, Figma may let you adjust or crop it. Follow any instructions you see, such as dragging to reposition the photo or zooming in and out until it looks the way you like. When you're happy with how it appears, look for a button like Save, Apply, or Done, and click it to confirm the change. Your new profile picture should now appear in the top right corner of Figma and anywhere else your avatar is shown in the app. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Figma.